Oh. Hello everybody, I'm Dragon Black, and welcome to the next episode of Takeover. Sorry about that. Catch the cold, it's in the winter. Very cold water, you see. But, after trial and error, I finally done it. My first super weapon. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? The syringe of fire. It sprays cold water, long range, instantly downing the opponent in water. Awesome! So after I do this and spray Dragon Red with all this cold, sizzling water, he'll be sick, he'll have a fever, and he'll never, ever post a video for about the next 2 weeks. Yeah! But sir, could he still do gaming videos? Oh wait, okay. Yeah, good. So, a bit sleepy. Been awake for about 48 hours doing these experiments and test runs. I basically can't fly anymore, but still excited. Wait, what did you say? Could he still do gaming videos, sir? Well, at least we won't have live action, and he'll be coughing in this gaming video. So, that's the plot to take over. Eliminate the competition. That does it for this episode of Dragon Black Takeover. Goodbye.